My name is A. Sandhya from BCom second year. Today I want to tell you about a success story who started his journey with selling SIM cards and now he is one of the top 10 billionaire. He is Mr. Ritesh Agarwal. While coming to his introduction, his name is Ritesh Agarwal and he is the founder and CEO of OYO Rooms. Firstly, OYO stands for On Your Own and the aim of the OYO is to provide comfortable, trusted and easy to book accommodations to customers. And OYO Rooms is India's largest hotel network with monthly revenue 3.5 million US dollars and 1500 employees over 80 countries. Ritesh made history in 2012 by becoming world's second youngest self-made billionaire, and this poster highlights Ritesh Agarwal's journey and impact on hospitality sector. While coming to his personal information, Ritesh Agarwal born in November 16, 1993, Besam, Kotak, Odisha. His schooling was done at Sacred Heart School and later at St. John Secondary School. After done his schooling, he joined IIT Delhi, but he dropped out. His father name is Ramesh Agarwal and he worked at Infrastructure Corporation. Ritesh Agarwal is very fond of traveling and his life journey started as a part of it. Let's see how Ritesh Agarwal started his journey. And in 2012, he started a hotel called Oracle Stays with 82 lakhs investment. As per his plan, he succeeded in that field. In 2013, he won Thiel Fellowship, receiving 1 lakh US dollars. He renamed the Oracle Stays as OYO. In 2015, OYO launched the OYO app and expanded to 100 cities. In 2018, OYO launched long rental service also under OYO Lite app. In 2020, it has 43,000 properties, 1 million rooms and 800 cities in 80 countries with 1,500 employees. After that, in 2024, it gained first ever profit rupees 229 crores for the financial year. Let's see some other details of OYO and expansion of global. OYO headquarters in India is at Gurgaon, Haryana, India, and the branches in India over 154 cities. In 2018, OYO expanded outside Asia, US, Europe, etc. In 2019, OYO launched OYO Lite app, a lighter version of consumer app. Even in COVID-19 pandemic, OYO launched sanitized stays, a safety protocol to all its hotels. The awards he received: he is the first resident Asian to win Thiel Fellowship. In 2015, he received Young Entrepreneur of the Year award. In 2016, he is cover page on Forbes magazine 30 under 30 in the consumer tech sector. In 2018, he received Young Entrepreneur and Economic Times Entrepreneur of the Year award. Finally, the conclusion is Ritesh Agarwal's story tells the power of innovation, perseverance and spirit of a young boy. A small startup can create a huge empire. He is inspiration to many people who build their career in startup. Thank you everyone.
Okay, it was full.